Nuclear power is the use of nuclear reactions to produce electricity. The electricity produced is completely environment friendly since there are no carbon emissions. However, this might be safe for Earth, but not for humans. Radiation that emitted by nuclear substance can cause damage to our cells.
Nuclear power plants are deemed to be one of the most safest facilities. Despite being the most safest facility, there are still accidents related to the nuclear radiation leakage, such as Chernobyl disaster. To make things worse, we can't see the radiation, so it is very hard to take early actions when there are leakage at the nuclear facility. Keep in mind, it takes millions of years to stabilize the radiation and it can cause permanent disabilities and death. Therefore,
we designed a robot that can continuously measure ionizing radiation and can absorb the ionized radiation. It also equipped with speakers that can alert the people around it. Let's dive deep into the design.
Right, so first, its main body. Right, so as you can see, this drone have a battery inside it to power up the robot. It also have cameras that can be monitored from control center. It also have speakers to alert other people around it and a Giga-Mueller counter which is in front here. LEDs around it will change color according to the ionizing radiation. If it is high, it turns red, which is dangerous. And if it is blue, it means that it is safe. Next, the propeller. Basically, it spins and fly the robot. And at the back of the robot, it is a jet powered that can make the robot fly much faster. Lastly, the most important part, which is absorbing plate. It can absorb the ionizing radiation and convert it to electricity to charge its battery. This concept is adapted from sunflower that is being used as phytoremediation to treat soil that polluted by the explosion of the nuclear plant in Chernobyl. It might be impossible to produce it, but in future it might be possible since all inventions comes from nature. The energy that collected from absorber plate can be transferred to electronic devices in smart city.
In terms of marketing, we can conclude that in future, there will be more nuclear power plant facilities, since we are already lack of natural gas and coal to be used as electricity generator. It's not only limited to power up the whole country, but also vehicles such as submarines and aircraft carrier.
Therefore, it might be possible that one day we can use nuclear as a battery. This robot ensures safetyness to people around it by determining whether the place is safe or not. It can act as a scout to determine whether it is safe or not to enter. It can act as a radiation cleaner and also act as a guard who always watch its Giga-Mueller counter. That's all from us. Thank you.